Hello, today we're going to talk about Lightact Graphical User Interface. When you open the program, the main area of the window is taken up by the visualizer. Visualizer is used to visualize your project. You can insert video screens, you can insert objects, all kinds of things. On the bottom side of the screen, you've got the sequencer. Here, you insert content layers. And on the right hand side of the screen you've got the sidebar, where on the top you see all the objects that you've inserted into the visualizer. In the assets bar you see all the assets that you've imported, for example images or videos. And here you've got all the properties. Here are the object properties, objects meaning the objects in the visualizer. Here are the properties of the layer. If you insert a layer and you select it, they will appear here. And here are the properties of the sequence itself. There are several windows as well that we can go through. Starting from the top, the video output window is where you set the video outputs. Here on the left side you'll see all the video screens and projectors, and on the right hand side you you map the outputs to the actual physical outputs on your graphic card. In the devices window, you insert all the devices that Lightact can communicate with. For example, UDP, TCP, OSC listeners or senders. You can insert audio inputs, outputs, and so on. In the curve editor, you can adjust the curves that are with the curves you can adjust the float variables in the layers. We'll talk about this more later on. And in the fixture editor window you can adjust the ArtNet or other EDMX lighting fixtures. There's another window that we can talk about, and it's called preferences window. Here you, for example, set the program preferences such as web UI credentials and so on.